If you breathe while solving the Rubik's Cube, the video ends. Okay, so this video, this idea was created by me, but not really. It was inspired by Parashock X, which if you know him, you know that my videos are inspired by him, except for Rubik's Cubes. So yeah, as the title suggests, I'll be trying to solve as many Rubik's Cubes as I can in one breath. And I'll make this a challenge, so you guys can challenge me, see how many you guys can solve in one breath, and then yeah, leave it in the comments below. I think that'll be interesting to see. So I'll be scrambling 5 cubes here. Not that I think I'm going to get through all 5, but just in case, you know. And I also don't know how long I'm going to be able to hold my breath for, but we'll see. Okay, let's just get started with scrambling the cubes. Okay, I'll probably solve this one first, then this. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm gonna look at the cube first, and then I'm gonna get ready to take my breath. Okay. Right here. I like the scramble for this one, so I'm gonna start with this one. Okay.